In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile settings in Monday.com. Keeping your profile up to date helps teammates quickly recognize you, understand your role, and reach you in the right way. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a simple flow you can follow as you watch. First, open your browser and go to Monday.com. On the homepage, select Login at the top right and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile avatar. Click that icon to open the quick menu, then choose My Profile. This takes you to the page where you can manage all your personal details in one place. Start with your display name. Update it to the name you want your teammates to see across boards, updates, and mentions. If you prefer a nickname or a specific capitalization, this is the place to set it so it's consistent everywhere. Next, add your job title. This small detail can make a big difference when people are searching for the right person to loop into a task. It appears alongside your name in people-related views, helping teammates understand your responsibilities at a glance. Upload a profile picture to make collaboration feel more personal. Choose a clear, well-lit image where your face is easy to recognize. Square or centered photos work best so they crop nicely in different parts of the app. If you need to change the email associated with your account, you can do that here as well. Keep in mind that some workspaces require a verification step, and organizations using single sign-on or managed domains may limit email changes. If a confirmation is sent, complete it promptly to avoid any sign-in issues. You can also add your phone and mobile numbers, plus your location, include the country code if you collaborate across regions, and choose the location that reflects your working time zone. This helps teammates know when you're likely available and how to reach you when something is time sensitive. Set your work schedule to match the days and hours you're typically online. This improves clarity for automations, due dates, and workload planning, and gives your team better visibility into your availability. Finally, add your birthday and work anniversary if you'd like. These fields are optional, but great for team culture and recognition. Most changes save automatically, but if you see a save button, make sure to click it before leaving the page. That's it, your profile is now updated and ready to support smoother collaboration across Monday.com.